Welcome to Ave Maria Computer Center. Dear friends, in the previous class we had already learned about the usage of Home tab. Today we will be learning about Insert tab, and in this we will be learning about making a blank page, page break, and also creating tables. Suppose, for example, I open a new document in Word. It automatically opens up as a new page. And when I type the matter in the whole page, naturally it goes to the next page. But suppose I need only one sentence or one line in the first page and I want to go to the next page. What should I do? I type one line, then I go to this blank page or page break and click that. Or shortcut key for this is Ctrl plus Enter. Automatically it will go to the next page, and we can see already 3 pages are opened up. Now let us see how to create tables. You click this icon which is given as table, and I choose how many rows and how many columns I need from this. Or suppose I need more columns and more rows than this, there is another option, that is Insert table. I click that and this will be opened up. Here I am going to enter the number of columns and number of rows I need, and I enter, and when I click OK, the table which I require will be opened up. The table is opened up, and here I am going to enter the marks obtained by my students. For example, I give the titles, name in one column, then the subjects for which my students have scored the marks, and any number of columns can be added as I wish. Now, when I want to go to the next column, I should not press Enter. If I press Enter, naturally the cell, the whole row will become bigger. Instead, I should press Tab key. When I press Tab key, it will go to the next cell. Now here I have entered the marks obtained by Asha and Manju. And suppose I need to enter one more column. What should I do? If it is Word 2013 version, I click at the bottom and press. I can add any number of rows I need. But if the version is older versions, I just press Tab. It will go to the next row, and I enter new name there. Now, to see the table tool, I should press inside the table. If I am outside the table, I will not be able to see the table tool. So I should press inside, then I can see the table tool. And in that I can see design and layout. What is this design? I select the whole table and I go to the design, and I choose any of these designs which I like. There are beautiful designs for various purposes. Suppose I want to come back to the original. I go to plain table, and I need to shade some cells which contains top marks. I select those cells and give separate colors by going and pressing shading. And in layout, what do I do? I need to add a new column near to Malayalam column. I select that column, then I press insert right or insert left. Insert left means automatically new column will be opened up at the left side of Malayalam column. Suppose I need a row above Manju. I select Manju's row and I go and click insert below or above. Suppose I need above, I have to click insert above. Suppose below, insert below. And I need to delete one particular row. What should I do? I select that complete row. I select that and then I go and delete. And when I delete, it will be shown delete cells and shift cells left. I click that and press OK. And suppose I want to remove one column, there is another provision. I click eraser tool and select the column which I don't want. Automatically it will be removed. Suppose I want to come back to the original, I press Ctrl Z. Now I want to split this table into two. What should I do? I go to split, I click where I want and I go and click split. Automatically it becomes two table. And coming back, Ctrl Z. And I want to make a new column, new cell near to science. I want to enter the marks obtained for practical. I click there and I go and split cells. Click split cells and say OK. And I enter the marks obtained for practical. Now if I want to merge many of these cells into one, I have to click and drag and select all these cells and go on top and you will see merge cells. The whole 3 cells will become one cell. And also I can select the whole table and give the alignment. If I need to the left, if I need to the right, or whichever I want. And also I can change the direction of the text by clicking this particular text direction tool. And I need to give order, ascending or descending order. I can click and choose that. And there is another provision in this, that is drawing table, draw table. Suppose I need to make a different type of table, maybe a ledger. I click this particular tool, draw table. And with this tool, I create a new table by myself. I drag and make a column. Then I drag and make different columns of different sizes of my preference. And this type of columns can be made use for various ledgers. And suppose I need to give a beautiful underline. I select that and go to design and I see various borders given there. And I select one of those beautiful borders and just drag along. And a new beautiful border will appear, or a new beautiful underline will appear there. And also suppose I want to change the colors of particular lines, I can also do by doing this way. Suppose I don't require the whole thing, I select eraser tool and remove the whole thing. And there is another provision in table, that is Excel spreadsheet. What do we do with the Excel spreadsheet? Suppose I enter marks of various students in ordinary tables in Word. I will not be able to give the total automatically calculated. I myself will have to sit and calculate the whole thing. Suppose I use this Excel spreadsheet, the totaling up will be automatically done in the table. I need not struggle. So I click that and a new table, Excel table will appear. And here I enter various titles and the marks, and here when I want to go to the next cell I press enter, not tab. And here I need to give the total of these marks. I select the whole marks including total and I go to auto sum. Now you have to press, make sure that it is in home, then go to auto sum and just press. Automatically you will see the total of the marks obtained by these students Asha and Manju. And suppose I want to see the average of these. I type average in the title and I again select the whole and go to auto sum. There you will see average. Just press that and average is given in the D column. And I want to come out of this Excel sheet and place it in my Word document. I should come outside this and click. Then automatically it will be placed in the Word format. Now again I want to edit some of these datas which are entered. I go back again and click inside. And again I enter what changes I need. After entering the changes, make sure to click again once inside, then only that average will be automatically calculated again. Again come outside and press. I'm sure today's class was very useful for you. These types of tables are very useful in our day-to-day lives. Hope to see you again in another class with much more useful tips. Thanks for watching.